Introducing the Voyager Surround 80 headset. It is designed for the way you work. It features adaptive auto noise cancellation and over-the-ear design. It has 6 microphones for clear transmit audio, with up to 21 hours of talk time or up to 24 hours of listen time. It has intuitive touch controls for calls and music with a dedicated mute button. You can use it both wirelessly or corded. So check out this pair of nice headsets. This is the Voyager Surround 80 Bluetooth headset. This is compatible with operating systems such as macOS, Android, iOS, and Windows. It has certified collaboration software with Microsoft Teams, OpenOffice. We're going to unbox this, set it up, and show you its features. These are the items in box. Let's take a look at the case and headset. The Voyager Surround 80 comes with a custom molded case where it protects the headset when carrying it around. There is a pack of silicone gel in the case to keep the contents dry. The headset has a carbon fiber design, ultra soft ear cups which are made of artificial leather and has an adjustable headband. That slides and fits nicely for all users. It is worn over the ears, which provide a very snug fit and keep out unwanted noise. There are markings on the inner ear cups, so you know how to wear the headset. It weighs 274 grams. It has a speaker size of 40 mm and has a boomless microphone, giving it a very clean look with no microphone boom sticking out. There are a total of 10 microphones, 6 boomless mics, and 4 more to support auto noise cancellation. There are 2 physical buttons, one for power on, off, and pairing, one for mute when on calls. It uses touch control for volume, play and pause music, track forward and backward, and has got a programmable touch control through the PolyLens apps. Let's take a look at the batteries. It has a 1100 mAh lithium-ion battery, which gives it up to 21 hours of talk time and up to 24 hours of listen time. It uses a USB-C to charge, and charge time is 2 hours 20 minutes for full charge. The connection type is Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth version is 5.3 with a wireless range of up to 50 meters. Remarkable. It can connect up to 2 devices at any one time. So we are going to show you how to use it with your computer next. Let's pair our headsets to our computer. Now, in box, you've got the PT700 Bluetooth adapter, and this is USB-C. It also comes with another adapter from USB-C to USB-A, where you can plug the BT700 and use it to plug into the USB-A port on your computer. For now, we will not use the USB-C to A adapter, but instead plug the BT700 into the USB-C port on our computer. Next, to pair the headset, you need to turn it on. Take note of the BT700 LED. When the BT700 LED is solid blue, your headset is connected and paired with your computer. It is that simple. To pair with your mobile phone, you need to turn on the headset and hold it at the Bluetooth symbol for 2 seconds. That will set it in the pairing mode. So let's power it on, and over here there's a Bluetooth symbol. We need to hold it there for 2 seconds. You can see that it has detected the Poly V Surround 80 series. Select Connect. The device is connected. Select Done. So you have now paired and connected the Poly Voyager Surround 80 headset to your second device, which is your Android phone. Next, we're going to show you how to do some music playback. To start the music, simply tap on the headset once.
Always there to help her.
Stop.
She always belonged to
While playing the music, you can swipe up to increase the volume. And swipe down to lower the volume. If you were to swipe to the right, it will go to the next track. And if you swipe to the left, you'll go back to the previous track. So this is how you do a music playback on the headset. Next, we'll show you how to answer, mute, and reject calls. To answer calls, simply tap once on the headset. During a call, you can see the LED will be red, indicating to those around you that you're on a call. To mute the call, you can press on the red button once. To unmute, press on the red button once again. To hang up the call, simply press on the headset. And the call has ended. Next, we'll show you how to reject a call. To reject a call, simply press on the headset until you hear a tone. You will hear call ignored, and your call is rejected. So this is how you use your headset for phone calls. Next, let's do some audio check. So this is how you sound using the microphone on the headset. Mic test 1, 2, 3. This is how you sound using the microphone. We're going to play a YouTube video and you can hear how it sounds using the headset.
This kid puts on quite a show.
I have eyes on the target. He does not look all that threatening.
Looks
So
can
this
be
is how you
deceiving,
sound
Your Highness.
when you use the headset.
Are you sure you do not want any backup?
Ah, I'm great with kids.
So this is the audio test using the Voyager Surround 80 headset. So this is the Voyager Surround 80 headset. We have just shown you the unboxing, the setup, how to pair to your PC as well as your mobile phone, how to use it for music playback, as well as answer and hang up calls, and also did an audio check.